Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a new series in which I can teach you about different how to create different Instagram posts, like Instagram post on different niches. So in previous video, we made a post on Instagram post on travel. So in today's our niche is fashion. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create a Instagram post on fashion niche. You can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and you can also sell this locally offline, and you can also use it for your own Instagram page. So it's up to you. So guys, let's get started. I am going to Canva home, create a design, and here I search Instagram. If you want to square portrait, I want to make in square format. So guys, before we started, I have to tell you that if you don't know about Canva and don't know about these bars and etc., so go to my channel Iron Tech, and where I upload different different playlist of different courses. One playlist of Canva mastery course in which I teach you about Canva from zero to hero. So go there and first learn from this playlist, and then move go towards this video. So let's get started. I click on elements, search element, fashion. Fashion. So it's give me different templates. I like this one, and that's good. So first of all, I go to photos and I would like to change all these photos, and here I search fashion, and then I place these images in this texts, and I also change these images. After that, I change the store name Martias, and here I search write everything you so I write here everything you need about fashion is here, and now we have to bold it, and that's good. And after that, click on subheading and we write website name. We also have to write Gmail. And I want to change background color light, like this. No, this it's look good. So I think this image is not changed, so I go to photos and I choose this photo. Yeah, it's changed. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.